The future of cooking is here, and it's smarter and sassier than ever. Meet the DREOS Chef Maker, the AI-powered kitchen gadget showcased at CES 2025, designed to revolutionize home cooking. No more overcooked meals or last-minute takeout. This smart cooking assistant uses advanced machine learning to analyze food in real time, adjusting temperature and settings for restaurant-quality results. In this video, we break down how the Chef Maker works, compare it to other AI kitchen gadgets like Samsung's AI oven, and explore what the future holds for AI-powered smart kitchens. Will AI take over cooking entirely? Or will it just make life easier and tastier?
Really?
The future is officially here, and it's cooking your dinner. We've let AI take over everything: our vacuuming, our emails, even our ability to remember birthdays. And now, it's after our kitchens. Meet the DREOS Chef Maker, an AI-powered cooking system that could turn your sad, burnt grilled cheese into a Michelin star masterpiece. No more overcooked chicken, no more setting off your smoke alarm just trying to make toast. This AI-driven kitchen gadget promises precision cooking, real-time adjustments, and a level of recipe customization so advanced, even Gordon Ramsay might get jealous. Let's take a bite into the future of smart cooking. All right, let's break it down. How does this futuristic food wizard actually work? At its core, the Chef Maker runs on an advanced machine learning algorithm that analyzes moisture levels, texture, and density in real time. Basically, it watches your food cook. Creepy? Maybe. Useful? Absolutely. With real-time monitoring, this AI makes on-the-fly adjustments. Whether you're searing steak or steaming delicate fish, it ensures everything is cooked to perfection. It even learns your personal taste over time. So, if you like your toast borderline charcoal, it won't judge. It'll just obey. Imagine this. You wake up, groggily stumble into the kitchen, and your barista maker hands you a cup of coffee so perfect, it makes you question all your past life choices. Then, after a long workday, instead of turning your dinner into a crime scene, the Chef Maker delivers a perfectly cooked salmon. No smoke, no tears, no fire department involvement. It's basically like having a private chef, except it doesn't get passive-aggressive when you ask it to make another meal. But how does it compare to other AI kitchen gadgets, like Samsung's NV7000B AI oven? Well, Samsung's oven has a built-in camera, letting you see your food in real time. Also, with its dual cook and pyrolytic cleaning, it does stand as a contender. But at a whopping $1,199, the Chef Maker emerges the winner with an affordable purchase price of $359. Also, the Chef Maker doesn't just watch. It thinks about your food. It adjusts settings, adapts to your taste, and fine-tunes recipes like a 5-star chef. And let's be real, if my oven had a camera, it would just sit there silently judging my life choices. The Chef Maker? It actually helps. But the comparison doesn't end there. While Samsung's AI oven is impressive, it lacks the versatility of the Chef Maker. The Chef Maker isn't just an oven, it's a multifunctional cooking device that can fry, steam, bake, and even sous vide. This makes it a more versatile addition to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy experimenting with different cooking techniques. Moreover, the Chef Maker's AI is more advanced, offering real-time adjustments and personalized cooking profiles. Samsung's oven, while innovative, relies more on pre-programmed settings and doesn't offer the same level of customization. So what's next? AI is already running restaurant kitchens, but soon your smart appliances might start collaborating. Picture this. Your fridge suggests a meal based on what's inside, your AI assistant orders the missing ingredients, and your Chef Maker handles the cooking. No human involvement necessary.
Wait, is my job over as a chef?
Not yet. But if AI starts plating food better than us, well, let's just say we should all start being nicer to our kitchen gadgets. The future of AI in the kitchen isn't just about cooking. It's about creating a fully integrated ecosystem. Imagine a world where your smart fridge, smart oven, and smart pantry all communicate with each other. ensuring that you always have the ingredients you need and that your meals are cooked to perfection. This level of integration could revolutionize not just home cooking, but also food sustainability. By optimizing ingredient usage and reducing waste, AI-powered kitchens could play a significant role in addressing global food challenges. So, is the DREOS Chef Maker the future of home cooking? Will AI replace traditional cooking or just enhance it? One thing's for sure, cooking is about to get a whole lot smarter, and maybe even sassier. Join us for the next episode on Thursday. Thank you for watching.